You're a man without a backbone. I see you looking for a window. You really think you're something special, and think you're hot by acting so cold. That rock and roll really moved my soul. You're a budget Elvis Costello. Baby, you deserve a medal for being number one asshole. Stop wasting my time. Even on the cover of GQ, I am never going home with you. A leather jacket don't impress me. I'm not a fool. I'm kinda different to the girl next door. I'm looking for something more. You're barking up the wrong tree. Girl, please rescue me. You're the legend of your lunch hour. Over me you bear no power. You'll never get a smidge from me, acting like the chief on me. I bet you'd like to see me on my knees. It's like reality MTV. Another reject from the city. I only listen out of pity. Stop wasting my time. Even on the cover of GQ, I am never going home with you. A leather jacket don't impress me. I'm not a fool. I'm kinda different to the girl next door.